Good morning, students. 11th standard business maths. First chapter matrices and determinants. Exercise 1.16 sum. Evaluate given the determinant. We should take let A is equal to solution. Let A equal to the first row 1A A square minus BC. Second row 1B B square minus CA. Third row 1C C square minus AB. By the property separate we should write this is the two determinants. We should change. The first one is 1a square. First part only we should write 1a square. Next is 1b square. 1b square. Next is 1c square. 1c square. Another one determinant is minus is a symbol. The common is minus. Minus is a symbol. Determinant of these terms same. We should write the last only changes. 1a square already taken, so BC. Next is 1b CA. Next 1c AB. This is the first determinant, equation number 1. This is the second determinant, equation number 2. Therefore, A is equal to what is the 1 minus 2 equation number. The first equation we should take. First equation is what? 1a square, 1b square, 1c square equal to this determinant. Some determinant rules we should follow. The first one, R1, first row, R1, interchange, it's R1 minus R2. The row 1 minus row 2 we should put in the R1, first row. 1 minus 1 is 0. Next, A minus B. A square minus B square. Next condition is R2, row 2 we should take R2 tends to R2 minus R3. R2 1 minus 1 is 0. B minus C. Next B square minus C square. Next third row we should write same. What is 1c square? 1c square. Next expanding along C1. C1 means this row. So we should take the first term is 0. 0 into determinant of this value is what? 0. Minus, this is the symbol second. The straight row and column eliminate. So we should write the same 0 into this terms is what? 0. Next is a plus. 1 is the symbol, 1 is the value. Next it's a determinant value in the straight row and column eliminate. What is its determinant of? A minus B into A square minus B square. A minus B, A square minus B square. Next B minus C, B square minus C square. Next we should find out 0 minus 0, it's a 0, it's over. Next 1 into the multiple this, expand this value, A minus B into B square minus C square. A minus B into B square minus C square. Next is minus is a symbol. Next cross multiple this B minus C into A square minus B minus C into A square minus B square. One into anything is what? Same value. So that is equal to A minus B b square minus c square is, we know that the formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Same formula we should write here. B square minus c square is equal to b plus c into b minus c. B plus c into b minus c. Minus is a symbol, minus. Next term b minus c. Here also a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b. We should write same, a plus b into a minus b. We know that these two terms, a minus b is one common. Take out a minus b. Next b minus c is another one common. Take out. Remaining b plus c here. Minus is a symbol. Here a plus b. The bracket we should write. Equal to a minus b. Next to b minus c into b plus c. Minus we should take inside. Minus into a is minus a. Minus into b is minus b. Equal to a minus b. B minus c. Here b minus b is cancelled. B minus b cancelled. What is remaining? C minus a. So this is the first equation. Expanding, then we get the answer. Next, the second equation now. Second equation, what is the determinant of 1abc, 1abc, 1bca, 1bca, next 1cab, 1cab. Now expand this. First we should follow this rule. Same rule. Row 1 subtract by row 2. R1 implies R1 minus R2. So substitute this rule here. R1 row 1, this is the row 2, subtract here. 1 minus 1 is a 0. Next, A minus B. Here BC minus CA. Next rule also we should use R2 implies R2 minus R3. This rule we should follow. R2 minus R3. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Next B minus C. Next CA minus AB. AB. Next third row is we should write same. What is 1? Last row is 1 C AB. Last row. Next expanding along C1. C1 column 1 we should expand, that is equal to 0 into anything is what? 0, we know that. Minus is a symbol next term. 0 into anything is what? 0. Plus last one is 1. The determinant of 1 in the straight row and column eliminate, remaining A minus B, BC minus CA, A minus B, BC minus CA. Next is B minus C, CA minus AB. 0 minus 0 is 0, so leave it. Plus 1. This is a cross multiple, A minus B into CA minus AB. A minus B into CA minus AB. Next minus is a symbol. Next cross multiple here, B minus C into BC minus CA. B minus C into BC minus CA. Next 1 into anything is what? Same value, we know that. So A minus B. Here CA minus AB minus B minus C into BC minus CA. Now A is a common, these two terms. Here C is a common, take out A minus B. Common is what? A, take out A into A, C minus B. Remaining is what? C minus B. Minus, here B minus C. Here C is a common, both terms. So C take out. What is remaining? B minus A. Next row. These both terms are A minus B, here common, here B minus C. So we should change it is minus is common, take out, then it is also A minus B. C minus B, here B minus C. So we should take a minus is a common here, so B minus C. So minus take common, A minus B, here A into, this is a, here is a take common minus, so B plus B minus C. Here also minus take common, minus into minus is a plus B minus C, C into, this is a take common means what is a minus is common, then this is plus A minus B. Now we should take A minus B, B minus C is both terms common. So take out A minus B first, A minus B is a common. Next B minus C is a common, take out. Remaining minus into A is what? Minus A here. Plus into C is what? Plus C. So we should write A minus B into B minus C. This is, we should write in order, C minus A. Okay, this is the second equation. We know that A equal to 1 minus 2, we know that. 1 is what is the value? 1 value is A minus B. Next B minus C. Next C minus A. Minus is a symbol. The second equation result is A minus B, B minus C into C minus A. See this A minus B, B minus C, C minus A, same minus is the symbol here, minus A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. Both are same. So subtract them, we get what is the 0. Okay, its values is what? 0. That's all. That's all, students.